3 Facts about nature. Fact No. 1. Nature encompasses all living and non-living things occurring naturally, including plants, animals, rocks, mountains, oceans, and weather. Fact No. 2. Biodiversity is the variety of life in nature, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest animals and everything in between. The Earth is estimated to be home to around 8.7 million species, though many are still undiscovered or poorly understood. Fact No. 3. Natural resources are materials that are obtained from nature and are used by humans to meet their needs. Examples of natural resources include air, water, soil, minerals, and fossil fuels.